Hello everyone and welcome. We are so excited to once again announce a new product. To be more specific, this product comes from our audio pros at Quadral. The product I'm introducing today is the brand new Quadral wall speaker. And now let's dive into some of the details of these amazing new speakers. This new wall speaker is another exceptional product from Quadral, perfectly matched to the Loxone audio server and specifically designed for use close to a wall. This two-way speaker impresses with a frequency range of 50 Hz to 25 kHz and delivers a very deep bass response considering the housing size of only 44 by 18 by 12 centimeters. Also, you can count on crystal clear, detail-rich sounds without distortion, even at low volumes. The two-way wall speaker is a true 8-ohm speaker, easily mastering even longer cable lengths without sound distortion. On the back, mounts for vertical and horizontal wall installation are included. In addition, a drilling template is also included so that the installation is quick and easy. It doesn't matter if you put it into a bathroom, kitchen, bedroom or a living room, the new Quadral wall speaker will look the part. The same thing goes for any commercial applications like offices, retail spaces, restaurants or hotels. And, of course, the wall speaker works perfectly with a Loxone audio server. Whether in classic stereo mode with 2, 4, 6 or more speakers, or as the sole speaker in stereo down mix for smaller rooms, these new speakers truly impress. As always, the simple and reliable integration for our partners is our top priority. Therefore, the entire configuration takes place, as always, in Loxone config. Just connect the new wall speaker to an amplifier output, select the speaker type, in this case 8 ohms, and you're all set. By the way, we recommend a speaker cable with a minimum cross-section of 2.5 square millimeters. To sum it all up, the new Quadral wall speakers harmonize perfectly with the amazing features of the Loxone audio server. Simple and flexible DIN rail mounting, reliability and maintenance-free operation, easily expandable and scalable, complete integration into the Loxone home and building automation, lossless music formats, and finally, simply brilliant sound. The new wall speaker, together with the Quadral In-Ceiling 7, perfectly rounds off our product range for easy integration into the Loxone home and building automation system. But that's not all for today. For those who want even more possibilities for their sound systems, Quadral has also just released a new Chromium Style 65, 85 and 105, as well as the matching center and back speakers. This will be the successors to the popular Chromium series. The Chromium Style speakers feature an advanced balance distribution system, providing a breathtaking bass experience and distributing the power to 3 full cone speakers. And just as a side note, they also look amazing. The new wall speaker and Chromium Style are now available and can be found in our online shop. We hope you enjoy discovering the new products, and if you don't want to miss any new product announcements from Quadral or Loxone, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Links are in the description down below. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.